Hi everyone, it's Claire again, your onboarding specialist here at Algo Trading. This is where things start to get exciting. You are about to set up your Lucid Trading account and enter a structured trading environment where your risk is clearly defined and limited to the cost of the account itself. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through purchasing and activating your account correctly. Follow closely so nothing slows you down. This is an educational walkthrough of the most common path our students take. It is not financial advice. There are no guarantees of profit, and losses are always possible. Always review Lucid's official rules before purchasing. Let's begin. Click Get Started on the Lucid website. If prompted, create your Lucid login. This gives you access to your dashboard, where you will later monitor your rules and performance. On the account selection page, select LucidDirect, then choose the 150K direct account. This is the most popular option among our students. The reason is structural. The 150K direct account has a larger maximum loss limit, which gives developing traders more breathing room. Smaller accounts may cost less, but tighter limits often create more pressure. More pressure usually leads to mistakes. Again, this is not a recommendation. It's simply the most common path our students choose. Lucid accounts are purchased with a one-time fee per account. There is no monthly subscription billing cycle. However, if you breach the maximum loss limit and the account closes, you would need to purchase a new account or pay for a reset if available. Your personal financial exposure is limited to the cost of each account you purchase. Now go ahead and click the Select Platform button to proceed. When asked to choose a data feed, select CQG data feed. This is important. Our Quantum Flow setup integrates with TradingView, and CQG is the correct feed. Selecting anything else adds unnecessary complications. After choosing CQG, proceed to checkout. Look for the coupon section. If you used our affiliate link, the code may already be applied. If not, enter Quantum. Click Apply Coupon and confirm the total price drops. Fill out your billing information carefully. Check all required agreement boxes at the bottom. Then click Proceed to Payment. After payment, your account will be created. Credentials are usually delivered quickly, but allow a short processing window if needed. You will either receive your credentials by email or access them inside your Lucid dashboard by clicking Show Credentials in the top right corner. Copy your username and password. Open a new browser tab and go to Tradovate.com. Click Login, enter your credentials, and click Login again. You will be prompted to choose a trading mode. Select Start Simulated Trading. Lucid accounts operate in a structured simulated environment under firm rules. This is normal. Click Continue on the welcome screen. When you reach the trading interface, look in the top right corner and confirm that your account balance is visible. That confirms activation was successful. You only need to log into Tradovate for this initial activation. In the next video, I'll show you a cleaner way to connect everything through TradingView.